Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. And here in this session, we are going to discuss histogram normalization. So, if we talk about the image enhancement techniques, then histogram normalization is a common practice to normalize a histogram by dividing each of its pixel value by total number of pixels in the images, right? So, each of its value, when we are going to divide by total number of pixels in the image, which we can represent by n, then we can say that a normalized histogram we can get. A very simple mathematical formula for that is P of Rk equal to n of k divided by n, where this particular n of k is the particular value and this n is total number of pixels in that image, where k could be any intensity level from 0 to L minus 1. So this particular P of Rk is going to give us the estimation of the probability of occurrence of gray level. That is what we are calling Rk. That is what we are calling here gray level. So if we talk about the sum of all components of all normalized histogram, that must be equal to 1. Now, if the same thing I talk on the perspective of MATLAB point of view, then we can obtain the normalized histogram simply by using this formula, that is P equal to Im hist f comma B divided by nu mel numel f, where this particular numel f is an MATLAB function that is going to give us the number of elements in an array. Basically, it would be a numerical value. So total number of pixels in that image, it will be given by this particular function of MATLAB. Now, it's all about the probability mass function that we are talking about, the normalization, right? So, this particular histogram normalization in this formula, the stepping stone and the core concept is lies under PMF, that is probability mass function. So, PMF, that is probability mass function, as name suggests, it gives the probability of each number in the data set. So, or you can say that it is basically gives the count or frequency of each element. For example, let's say if we are having this image, so you know that we are having going to have the image in the numerical form like this. So let's say if we are having this image, okay, just use the common sense. Just use the common sense. What is the minimum number here? 0. And what is the maximum number here? 7. So can I say that it is 8-bit depth level image? The bit depth of this image would be 8 because the minimum is 0, maximum is 7. So the range is lies from 0 to 7. That is total 8 bits are there. Total 8 bits are there. Isn't it? Means total 8 levels are going to be there. Now, what I have to do? I have to calculate the probability mass function of this image. So, see here, the same formula that we have seen here, how to implement this? See, first, this is the particular image that I have copied here as well. So, if the intensity level is 0, so 0 is here and 0 is here. How many times it is occurring? The frequency of intensity level 0 is 2. The frequency of this intensity level, or you can also call it as a gray level, both are same. You can call this 2 as a number of pixels or frequency of nk. So the frequency of gray scale level 0 is 2. So divide this 2 by total number of pixels, the same formula. Divide this 2, that is nk, divide by total number of pixels. How many pixels are there in this image? This image is of 5 rows, 5 columns, 25 pixels are there in this image. Total pixels are 25. Divide 2 by 25, 0.08. I hope clear. Similarly, for intensity level 1, 1 occurrence, 2 occurrence, 3 occurrence, 4 occurrence. So total occurrence is 4. Total occurrence is 4. So what is the probability mass function for intensity level 1? 4 divided by 25, that is 0.16. That is the probability mass function for intensity level 1. Similarly, for intensity level 2, so for intensity level 2, 1 occurrence here, 2 occurrence here, third occurrence is here. Total 3 times. The frequency of intensity level is 2. The intensity level 2 is occurring 3 times. Frequency is 3. Divide by total pixel 25. So 0.12. Next, if I talk about intensity level 3, so intensity level 3 is here, 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. So again it is 3 times. So 3 divided by 25, that is 0.12. Next, intensity level 4. So intensity level 4 is, see here, one time occurrence of 4 and two time occurrence of 4. So 2 divided by 25, 0.08. Similarly, for 5, it is occurring 4 times. So the probability mass function would be 0.16. Similarly, for 6, the total number of frequency of intensity level 6 is 3. So probability mass function will be 0.12. And similarly, for 7, the occurrence of intensity level 7 in this image is 4. So the probability mass function would be 0.16. Right? So this is what we are calling probability mass function. Now, one point that we have written here, that the sum of all components of a normalized histogram is equal to 1. So if you are going to take the summation of all this, 0.08 plus 0.1, 0.16, 0.12 plus 0.12 plus 0.08 plus 0.16 plus 0.12 plus 0.16, you are going to get what? 1. This is what we are talking about probability mass function. I hope it is clear, right? That is what we are going to use it for the histogram normalization point of view. Now, for example, one more problem is there, that rather than this image, you might get this particular table directly. And they may ask, calculate the probability mass function for the following image. So how to calculate it? So let's say if the gray level is 0, by default we are getting the total number of frequency of 0 is 9. Frequency of 1 is 8, frequency of 2 is 11, frequency of 3 is 4, and similarly for all these intensity level, these are the frequency. Fine. So total number of pixels here we are going to get is, if you are going to take the summation of all this, total number of pixels we are having is 64. So by default you are having the 8-bit depth, and by default you are having total number of frequency in front of each intensity level. Total number of pixels are 64. So divide this 9 by 64. So the probability mass function for intensity level 0 is 0.141. It means that the mass distribution of the intensity level 0 in the image is 0.141. For intensity level 1, total number of occurrences of intensity level 1 in the image is 8. 8 divided by 64 is 0.125. And similarly, for each intensity level, we are having the frequency associated with them in the front of it. So just divide this frequency of this intensity level with total number of pixels. That is what we are talking. Probability mass function, or PK, is nothing but nk divided by k, where k is total number of pixels here, and nk is that particular intensity level, count of that intensity level, right? So we are going to get the probability mass function of each intensity level like this. Here also, if you are going to sum all these things, you will get 1. So that is what PMF is all about, right? So in the next lecture, we are going to discuss the histogram equalization concept. There is a concept of cumulative distributive function, one of the important concepts. Let's see in the next lecture. Till then, I hope the concept of PMF is clear to all of you. Do subscribe this channel, guys. Stay tuned for the more next lectures, and do comment if you have any queries. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat to all of you.